Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to invite friends in Hamster Kombat. Today, let me show you how to invite friends to Hamster Kombat. First, open Hamster Kombat app through Telegram, and you land on the home page. From there, tap on Friends, and you'll see the option to invite a friend. Tap it, and it will take you to your Telegram contacts. Find a friend you want to invite, open the chat, and you'll see the invitation link in the text bar. Just hit the blue arrow to send it. If you want to invite someone outside of Telegram, simply copy the link, open a chat on another platform like WhatsApp or Instagram, paste the link, and send it. As a tip, always double check that you're sending the official Hamster Combat link to avoid any fake apps or scams. You can also remind your friends to have Telegram updated to ensure the link works smoothly. That's all it takes to invite friends in Hamster Combat safely and easily. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.